How to clone voice in 11 Labs. So your first step would be to either create an account or log into your already existing account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on login here, and it's going to take me over to the sign in option, and I'm going to proceed to sign in with Google. You can do the same with Apple or any other service. So once you've signed in, all right, so once you've signed in, go ahead and select any of the platform you want to use. 11 Creative, which is where we're going to be focusing on, and 11 agents exist as well to deploy and monitor conversational agents. So click on continue here. Once you selected the platform, go ahead and enter your name and your language. I believe this is the onboarding process. So go ahead and complete this process and then head into the dashboard of 11 Labs. All right, so this is important. You need to be you need to have an existing subscription in order to use the instant voice cloning. That's in order to clone your voice, you need a subscription plan. So let's just proceed and click on skip. All right, and once you've logged into 11 Labs, click on Home here, and then where we have Create or Clone a Voice, go ahead and click on Clone Your Voice. So click on this option. And then, like I mentioned earlier, you would need a subscription such as the starter plan in order to use the instant voice cloning, which takes only 10 seconds of audio in order to clone your voice. We also have the professional voice clone, where you create the most realistic digital replica of your voice, and it requires at least 30 minutes of clean audio in order to replicate your voice. Now, you could try voice remixing, which is still in alpha testing, which transforms existing voices with text prompts into a new voice. Or you could go with voice design, which is basically entering a prompt and it will just give you a voice. So once you click on voice design, you can now go ahead and click on generate voice, and it's going to go ahead and generate a voice for you. This is a free option. So remember, if you need to clone your voice, you're going to need to actually pay for the premium one.
To me. Surrender now, and I may grant you a swift end. I've toppled kingdoms and devoured armies. What hope do...
And that's what it sounds like basically. So you could change the prompt to make it speak in a different language, or say something else. And then you can now select the voice for your stuff and give it a name, a label and value, and then a description as well, and then click on save, and it's done. All right guys, that's how you can clone your voice.